What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool with the Cool Kicks YouTube channel. I've been here forever. Alright, did get here super early. They just opened. Let's go. See 20% off the back wall. I don't even know why I'm in such a hurry to get here because it's not like I'm gonna buy anything today. but yeah, I'm out here to show all of you what they got here. Starting off with some J's right here. This is my size. To be able to get these for 20% off, that is pretty fire. Going back to the good old days when I first started my channel, what, 4 or 5 years ago. Yeah, this is where we started from, just getting a bunch of J's at the outlets. Oh, we are starting the 10 and a half. Do got the Billie Eilish Air Force Ones, $150 for these. People have been asking about the Airspan 2s, $41. Oh, you get an extra 20 off, so that's low 30s right there. Holy cow. Off-course size West Virginia, off-course size, $40. Zoom Freak 5 is going for $60. That is not for colorway, but $60. That's what, 48 after the 20% off. Moving up in size, Comfort 11s. Comfort 11 lows, $120 for those. 10 and a half right here. The Dunk highs right here. These are the Dunk High 85, so utilizes some of that better leather. On this one, I don't think it's like super great, but you know, if you like that washed out look, the acid wash look, whatever, $100 for these, so $80 after savings. $100 for these right here. These are 10 and a half. They got a ton of them, all in the size 10 and a half. Like they just don't stop. They don't stop. Thought I was in the size 11, 10 and a half, 11, I guess. These go for full price. Air Max 1 premiums. $50 for the Del Dons right here, but this is a 10 and a half women's though, so size 9 men's. All right, finally in the 11s, or back in the 11s, $160 for the Infinity Run 4s. Jordan fadeaways go for $50. Got some Forces right here, the Air Force 1 High, $125. Guess I'm in the 12s now. Blazer Low, the Sakai's right here. These are clean, cream and white. $110 for those. Windflow 9s if you need some budget sneakers or budget running shoes, $50. I think you could do better if you drive around a little bit. The Nike Premier 3. These are some soccer cleats right here. These will go for $120. Vaporfly Next Percent 3s. These are 12 and a half, $260. Got some more Jordan Retros right here. Yeah, man, these are the, what do they call it? The yellow ochre? Blue gray? Yellow ochre because there's a little bit of yellow right there on the outsole. But yeah, these are dope, dude. Like that powder blue right there. These are a size 13. You do get that extra 20 off. Got some blazers right here, go for $70. Jumpman 2 trays, $80. And see the extended size pricing. Whenever you see gray, that usually means extended size pricing. Nike Corp Vision lows. Some Uber budget Air Forces right there, go for $38. Size 14 more of these. Extended size pricing, $145 for the Penny 2s. What is this? What is this? Oh, Jordan 1 Low Golf. Why is the box so huge? I know these are size 15, but still, like, it seems like the box is a little excessive. This is a Golf right here. Kind of like a chrome look to it. It's pretty interesting. Let's see, not too much. $120 for these. More Jordan 1 Lows for Big Feet Gang. See, this is like a more appropriate size box. Yeah, $125 for those. Jumpman 2021s go for $95. These are size 14. Oh, this is what's up right here. This is what's up. The bread toes. They got them for $100, which means you get it for $80. That's what's up. That's what's up. Because these went for what, 110, 120 or something like that. Size 15. These are down to 70. Remember we saw these for 100 over there. Or was it 100 or 110? Jump into the smaller size. I think 9.5 starts about right here. Starting with some Luka 2s right here, size 9. These look okay. ISPAs, dang it. Sense Flyknits going for 100. God damn, seems like a lot for that. ISPAs be hella overpriced, but you can say that about Jordans too, right? So it is what it is. Whatever you're into. Pegasus Trail 4s. Retail, what? What is this right here? Oh, I was like, these are not Jordans. They got some Hyper Dunks. Yeah, Hyper Dunks right here. These look dope, dude. Old school classic look. Man, I remember, man, I keep saying that when people used to go crazy over these, we don't even know how much they're going for. Plenty of these. They still got them at 150. That's kind of crazy. Jordan 6 Golf right here. 220. Okay, that's a lot going on that one. Size 8. $140 for the 2s right there. Nike Calm size going for $50. We got the size 8s. Dang, we got a deluge of the Jordan 2s right here. Only in size 8 though. I haven't seen other sizes. And the acronyms. Yeah, man, these are down to $110. $110 for these too. Kind of high. Did hit up the clearance sneakers. We're hitting up the clearance apparel now. 30% off. Start off with some Warriors gear right here. Golden State Warriors. $50? That's not bad. This is a double XL though. Big old winter coat. Winter jacket, winter coat. $250 for this. This is an XL. Been seeing a lot of these. Does that mean a lot of these are getting returned? This is the tech fleece, like pea coat jacket type of thing. No, not a jacket. It's a coat, some sort of coat. But it looks like a trench coat. Looks like a pea coat. $2 for this. I have a feeling these are way more. I don't remember. I saw a regular price for this one. I couldn't remember the price of. Small fleece pullover right here. Kind of thin, but feels really premium. $50. Jordan hoodie $55. Black cement. Okay. I don't think I've seen those black cement hoodies anywhere. Nike running medium size right here, $50. LA Rams $75. That is the full retail. You should get 30 off. This one is actually pretty nice. $100 though, dang it. Jordan with the elephant print fleece jacket right here. This is really nice. Really nice. $112 though. Jordan hoodie, $60 for that one. This is a large. Moving to the t-shirt rack right here, but I do see a LeBron jersey. MPLS colorway right here. This is really nice. This is really nice. $85. And you get that 30% off. That's probably what, $60-ish? You just got to make sure you wash it. That stuff will come right off. I ain't worried about that. Super soft Jordan shirt right here. This is a medium. Got that Jumpman logo right in the middle. $40. Damn, that's high. Clippers. Paul George jersey right here. These are down to $80. This is a large. What soccer jersey is this? I don't know. Something in heart? Coraje? I don't know who that is. But yeah, do got this. I'm sure you soccer fans know. But yeah, $95 though. They're getting the full retail. Well, minus 30% off, I guess. That is a large. Got an XL LeBron jersey right here. Sure, I'm assuming it's the same price. Yeah, $85. And then a Paul George small one, and then a double XL LeBron right there. You live in SoCal, really good time to get winter stuff since winter is kind of winding down. It's not super warm, but it's starting to wind down. Got some, I don't know what the hell these are, cargo pants? I don't know. But yeah, $110 right here. I guess that's a little bit high. Then got, these feel like tech fleece. I don't know if it is, but yeah, $165. Yeah, definitely tech fleece. $165. Super freaking premium, but also premium price tag. Got another cargo looking pants right here. These are medium, $60. Has elastic up top though. Ooh, these feel really nice. These feel really nice. Therma fit right here. And yeah, you can definitely feel the premium. $160. Holy cow. Regular fleece university blue, $125. I guess right now not the best time. The clearance store, I feel like I saw like a ton of stuff for really cheap. Not at this outlet. $100. God damn. Got a bunch of the Team J's right here. Been seeing a ton of those. They got retros though. They got Jordan retros. They got Jordan 2s going for $100. And Jordan 1 low OGs. These retail for $140. So a nice little discount. We've also seen these Shoe Palace for $100. Some Cosmic Unity 2s. Got Hyper Dunks. Saw one of these in the clearance section. I guess we know the price now. Katie Tray 5.9s. More Katie Tray 5.9s. Multiple colorways. Also got the Immortalities. These are the 2nd gen right here. Got for 55, and then the Zoom Freak 5s right here. Got another one right here. One of the homies just messaged me that their outlet, they didn't give them the 20% off, or they told them they don't get an extra 20% off, which is weird because I've talked to numerous workers at different outlets, and they've all told me if it's 97, you do get that 20% off, even if it doesn't say right here, because 97 does mean it's on clearance, and on that back wall right there, it says 20% off. And those are all clearance items on the back wall. Maybe that's a LA thing. I don't know. But got Witness 7s right here. I'll have to hit up Ballinonabudget, see what's going on out there in Florida, because I'm pretty sure it is that way most places. I don't know. But I got Witnesses. These are all the 7th gen trainers right here. Got alley-oops. Got 4 different colorways, mostly black. Got a hint of blue on that one. Bright colorway right here. Chicago colorway. SB Heritage Volks right here going for $60. A couple different colorway of those. See Blazers Jumbos right here. I'm going to go through them kind of quick because we've been seeing these at the outlets quite a bit. Yeah, we're going through the aisles pretty quick because 2017s we've been seeing these. And obviously these are old. These have been around forever, but it looks like they got a new shipment. Remember, the prices, they're indicative of how long they've been at a particular outlet. It's all about inventory management here. I've talked about that a ton, but I know there's plenty of new viewers. So this means that this probably just got here, and then eventually they start lowering the price, and then eventually it goes down to, these will probably go to like $60, like $59.99 or something like that. Who knows? Sometimes we're surprised. Got Airspan 2s. I think I have one with the crimson right here, and I got that for like $30. So prices definitely do fluctuate. And we saw one on the back wall for hella cheap, and these are 50% off right here. These are down to $50. You get an extra 20 off. Yeah, this aisle's dark as hell too, by the way. All the lights are off. But yeah, do got Air Force Ones. Those are the low OGs, the ones that everybody loves. Do got some mids right here with the weird Nike sign. Red on white. Some highs right here. Black on white right here. Got some Dunk highs for $80. Baroque brown sesame colorway. Materials are okay. They're not premium, but it's a thinner nubuck. And then got some light over here. Also got Air Max 97s. Not too many dudes gonna be running out for that. 2023 Flyknits right here. We know these just came in because it is the full 100% price right there. MSRP price. These as well. Trio of Air Max 90s. Terra Escape. These always go on sale. Got some Monarch. These are 4E, which is the wide version, so good for wide feet gang. Metcon, free Metcon 4s right here. Then Metcon 8s. None of y'all better be buying graphic tees at the mall, because if y'all want Nike graphic tees, they always got them on sale. 2 for $30. And they always have multiple displays of them, so yeah, grab them at Nike if you need them. Then they do have some of their budget sweats for $30. These are normally like, what, $40-50, so a little discount says 55 normally. And then got some clearance stuff over here that I didn't see. If you need brown, $30, you get 30% off. So what is that, $21? Yeah, these are 21 as well. Kind of a better colorway right there. And we got these are thinner though. These are 46. Windbreaker jackets, $60. Normally $100. Got basketball stuff going for $20 or 20% off. These t-shirts are kind of weird. $30. Comes with cartoon characters on them. Got basketball shirts right here. $35. This you get 20 off. And they always have running gear on sale. These shirts are $30 right here for Nike running. Got pants as well as running shirts over there. Nike really pushing these yoga line. Do that many fools do yoga, really? Yoga jackets? They're really thin. Yeah, $60, you get 30 off for that. checking out the grade school section, the clearance section at least. $120 for the Mars Yard 3s. It ain't bad. I just don't really understand what you're gonna match that orange with. Maybe if your favorite team is that color. You need to get 20% off the back wall here as well. Got some Dunk low grade school right here. And this one I think utilizes 3M. It does that reflective material. Yeah, I'm a sucker for that, but not a sucker for the material on those. $100. I think a lot of you guys are following suit because readily available at most of the retail stores now. Of course, Nike's also pumping out 5 million pairs. But yeah, man, I've just been hearing a lot of you guys that, hey, you guys don't really mess with the regular Dunks anymore. 100 for those Air Force Ones. Man, these man, they got some wild colorways right here, man. What the hell? Color blocking is all weird. 95 for those. Got some Jordan 1 lows right here. Oh, that Nike sign definitely looks interesting. Okay. Oh, there's like, is that glitter or sand inside? And then there's a Jetman logo right there as well. Okay. 95 for those. Then in preschool, they do got one of these here. I was able to find a grade school one earlier as well. $100 for those. Then we're gonna check the grade school aisles because I see all kinds of interesting stuff. Jordan 13s right there. Fear 3s. I didn't notice the box was pretty cool on those. Okay. Jordan 2s. Got the ones right here. These are the OG highs. The Reimagined ones right here. Of course, I gotta get the Air Force Ones here as well. I don't see any refurbish sign on these. It's crazy because that's how the refurbished ones for the exact same price. I'm like, dude, really? I'll go through the women's section right here as well. Got the Blazer Low platforms. Got a couple of the jumbo mids. Pink Oxford one right here. Canvas. The Blazer mid 77s. A couple of the old school ones right there. Holy cow, they got a lot of Blazers. God dang. Air Max Diaz. Premium high MFers right here. And then the Jordan 1 high OGs right here. We've seen these in the clearance section for under $100. I think at the clearance store they had these for like $80, something like that. I'm trying to remember. Air Force One mids. Gum bottom on these bad boys. OGs. This Nubuck? Nubuck, it is pearl pink, so slight pink hue. Vachetta tan, what the hell? Platforms. Triple white. Anthracite and white and black. I don't know. Dude got 270s. These are regular price though. What the hell? Got Air Max 90s as well. 2017s. This is probably after one markdown. Yeah, I think they start at 160 and then go down to 130. Got some Commandos. I think all these are generic stuff. Yeah, extra generic. I think that's about it, dude. I think that's about it. I think I'm gonna wrap it up, dude. Did scour the entire store for stuff. They got some random accessories. I don't see any crazy sales prices. Yeah, it's like going for retail $30 for that. So I think I'm gonna wrap things up. Make sure you help a boy out. Make sure you press that like button if you're new. Make sure you subscribe. Press that notification button as well. And we're out, man. We're out. Make sure you guys check out some of these other videos, other Nike Outlet vlogs. Been doing this for what, 4 or 5 years now, so got plenty of videos. I'm parked right out front. That Lexus, man, getting really good MPGs, man. I was on the freeway yesterday, freeway today, and I've been averaging over 30 miles per gallon, which is pretty dope.